Hey guys, what's up? This is Chris and another video tutorial on how we can campaign or join the campaign in this new Solana project, which is the Getgrass.io in a 3 easy simple step. So head over to our Google account and search on Getgrass.io. Okay, you can search it. After that, it will lead you to the landing website. So in order to avoid a phishing website or phishing links, you can visit their Twitter account and click on the link in their account. Alright? So just an example. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to download the Grass as an extension. How? Click on download Grass. Let's wait for it. And add to Chrome. Click. Add extension. Then let's wait for it. Yan, a pop-up notification. So it depends upon yours if you want to turn on the sync, but for me, it's not important. After that, we added into the Chrome extension, we can close the tab. Now, we need to create an account. How? Click Open Dashboard. Then, instead of sign in, we have to click the register. Input the email you want. Username. And the password. Make sure that your password has a special character and numbers and capital letters. So aside from it, it will be rejected. You can input the referral code, or you can use my referral code in this video description so we can help each other. It depends upon yours. Then click on I agree and I'm not a robot. After that, register our account. Now, once that we register our account, it will lead us to our dashboard. So here we go. Alright, so let's wait for it. Now, the next thing that we need to do in order to officially join this campaign, we need to connect to our internet connection. Why is it free? Because we allow the Grass to use our unused Wi-Fi, then we earn money through that. So we can refresh and refresh. After that, you connect it. Okay, it will look like this. So this is my personal account. The good thing about this project, the more you will refer, you will earn more extra points. We're helping each other. Alright, so that is for this tutorial. If you have questions, or next time I will make some video on simple walkthrough about this project. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.